My name is Ivan Polak. I'm from Erwin, and I'm in London at 2018 conference Enterprise Architecture and Business Process Management. I'm here with Mr. Olivier Guel from Fidelity International.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for being here, Olivier.
Thank you for having me.
You just finished your presentation where you share the story how Fidelity use our tool. I don't want you to repeat all the story.
Of course.
I just would like to ask you, what was the reason why you were looking for enterprise architecture tool, and three big drivers why you choose at the end Erwin as a tool?
Sure. I will start by the last one. I think I wasn't really the person who actually chose Erwin. So when I joined,
Okay.
Erwin was already there. But I suspect that the reason why it has been actually adopted is because Erwin has this ability of making process very simple for conversation, especially for senior management who don't want to see the nitty gritty of the process. They want to be able to talk process at a very high level. So because it's very modulable, it is very user friendly. The shapes are very easy to understand. You don't have to be a neophyte in process management to actually use that. I believe that this is one of the key reasons why. Actually, it creates alignment between the SME, the people who are performing the process, and the senior management, the people who are holding the accountability. So it's a very great tool to create conversation, and this is what is missing when it comes to collaboration within the company. The reason why I believe we went for this, what was the pain behind that, is more like at the moment there is a big drive around customer experience. Understanding the need of the customers, and externally this is the need. We need to understand the customer, but internally we need to adapt to what the customer feedback is going to be.
Right.
How are we going to respond to understanding the needs, and to respond to that and be more adaptable, we have to make sure that our process inventory and our structures, our architectures is actually dynamic and can respond to future needs. So as I said during the presentations, for one generation digital is fine, but for another generation maybe digital is not fine, it's not so fine. And this senior generation is part of our key clients, customers. They have a great wealth that they need to pass to another generation, but still they want to do and manage their portfolio the way they used to manage it 30 years ago, and we have to respect that. So we can't force fitting things on people. So understanding customer experience was one thing, but actually how to adapt to that, making sure that our operation can be very agile to respond to that need. So that's why we pick this tool that look very agile. Very quick iterative cycle. Whenever we want to change, we contact Erwin, they do a change, it's immediately visible for users to say I don't like it or I like it, and we can go back to you guys again. So that's really the short iteration cycle that really make the power of the tool that we're using at the moment, and we expect to extend that, build success on success. So instead of just buying the full ecosystems, make sure that you deliver value for what you already pay, and again, this is Erwin who actually told us, don't go fast. Don't try to buy everything that we have. Making sure that you produce value, you're quite happy with the value, then with integrity we're going to sell you more. But unless you have value, we won't sell you anything else. And that's what we appreciate in that relationship with Erwin.
Okay. It was, I'm sure, more than one reason.
Exactly.
Thank you very much for your time, Olivier.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me again.